most of it. Look, they're all on the ground. Okay, shall I get the rest? Okay, I'm gonna try.
I'll watch from here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna videotape it from here.
Do it where this bush is kind of behind me.
Can't see it.
I'll get underneath here, so that. Okay, how far will this go? That's
I
the
have no
problem.
idea.
Okay, now is the door open? Because I'm gonna
Yeah.
run like hell. All right. 1. Are you ready? Okay, ready? Oh God. Oh, that's not far enough. I have to get closer. Oh God. Okay. Oh, this is too close.
Are you getting them?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
They're falling down, but they're gonna come after me. Ah!
That scared you, the hose?
The hose scared me.
Did a bee hit you in the eye?
No, it just came at me and scared me. Turn it off, Glenn.
This is for
Oh my
YouTube.
God, turn it off. Oh my God, that scared me to death. Go see what.